English grammar test.
Bismillahirrohmanirrohim.
Sam, a smart and diligent student. In his class. Am is R. My family and I, planning to go Mecca 3 months later, have hasn't. Mary and Lisa, friends, since they were at junior high school.
Is AMR.
Tom, a new car last year. Because he did the goal. For his project, got/ has gotten.
What are you? I'm Sam. I am a housewife. I am Tina. What do you do? I'm fine. I am okay. What do you do?
My favorite foods, noodle and fried chicken, is am are. This, an apple, is am are. My father, me how to say thank you to everyone yesterday, teaches, taught. How old, you, is, am, are. Where, you live, do, did, does. Where, you work, do, did, does. Let's, until 5, count, counting, counts. The sky, blue, is, am, are. The sun, in the morning, shines, shining. A place where aircraft regularly take off and land, with buildings for passengers to wait in, gas station, train station, airport. There, a small cat playing with some toys, is, am, are. My daughter's favorite color, pink, is, am, are. Many people standing outside the movie theater. There is, there are, there. Today, Friday, is am, are. Yesterday, Thursday, was, were, is. My son's name, Abdul, is, am, are. If you want to know the answer, you can write on the comment or ask your teacher. Thank you. If this useful, please share to your friends, family, neighbors. Thank you very much.